Hello guys, welcome to my channel Programming Tips and Trick. Happy Janmashtami to everybody. Today we are going to discuss something known as IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Now, if I ask you what is Turbo C++, so what will be your answer? Maximum of you will say Turbo C++ is a compiler. सर इसमें हमने C किया हुआ है, इससे प्रोग्राम कंपाइल होता है. We will get n number of answers from your side. But if anybody asks you what is Turbo C++, so Turbo C++ is an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. What I said? Integrated Development Environment. What is IDE? IDE is nothing but a set of programs integrated at one place that creates an environment which is helpful for the development of a software. Means it is nothing but कुछ प्रोग्राम सारे एक जगह इकट्ठे होके एक ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करते हैं जो कि एक डेवलपर के लिए सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप करना में मदद करते हैं. इट इज़ नथिंग बट अ सेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स इंटीग्रेटेड एट वन प्लेस creates an environment which is helpful for the development of a software. What are the examples of IDE? There are n number of IDEs available in the market. For example, Turbo C++, Developer C++, Eclipse, Microsoft Visual C++, NetBeans, Visual Studios, n number of IDEs available in market. Dennis Ritchie doesn't develop this software. Dennis Ritchie only develop a language known as C language, which carries how many keywords? 32 keywords. These are the IDEs developed by different companies, which helps the developer to develop a software. Next question in interview usually asks कि how many files are created when we develop a program. Before going through this file, we have to see what are those set of programs. Set of programs, first is editor, second is preprocessor, third one is compiler, fourth one is assembler, fifth one is linker, and sixth one is loader. Every program has its own way to help the developer. What editors do? Editors help the program to edit, like to open a program, to save a program, to type a program. These all are the duty of the editor, and the output of this program is nothing but a source code which is saved with .c extension. Then comes into scene preprocessor. Preprocessor means hash include, hash define. These all commands are executed with the help of preprocessor program, and it creates a file .i file. Then compiler comes into scene. Compiler converts this .i file to .asm. .asm stand for assembly language code. Then this assembly language code goes to assembler, and it converts this assembly language code to .obj, which is known as compiled form. Then this compiled form goes to linker, and linker links the function call with the function definition. Now what are function? That we will discuss some one or the other class. Then .obj will go to linker. Linker links the function call with the function definition, and it creates a file simple.exe. What is simple? Simple is nothing but a name of the program. .exe is a self-executable file. Then .exe file will go to loader, and loader will execute the program. So in Turbo C, when you write, there are three commands. One is F9, second one is Alt F9, and third one is Control F9. F9 means compilation. Alt F9 compilation plus linking. F9 means compilation plus linking. Alt F9 only compilation, and Control F9 is compilation, then linking, then execution. Means when you hit F9, it will create .exe file. When you hit Alt F9, it will create simple.obj, and when you create Control F9, when you hit Control F9, it will compile, link and execute the programs. So these commands F9, Alt F9, Control F9, this doesn't belongs to C language. These are the commands belongs to Turbo C++ software. Okay. This one another file .bak. .bak stands for backup file, which is optional. With the help of setting, we can create or we can drop this option. So if somebody asks how many files are created, so there are 6 files. One is .c and one is .back. Both are same. .back stands for backup file. It is same as .c file. Then .i file, then .asm file, then .obj file, and at the last is .exe, which is a self-executable file. Any doubt you can ask me, otherwise we will move further. Next is all ID comes with a library of functions and classes like printf, scanf, getch, getchr. These are the functions which comes with Turbo C++ library, which helps the developer to write a program. Next, this is a diagrammatically first one is C program. This C program will go to preprocessor. This C program will go to simple.c editor, then it will go to preprocessor. Preprocessor will expand the code and convert this known as simple.i. This is also known as expanded code. This expanded code will expanded code will go to the compiler, and compiler will create .asm. This is assembly language. It will go to assembler. It will convert that ASM code to .obj. .obj is nothing but a object code, and at last it will go to linker. Linker links the function call with the function definition and convert that obj file to .exe file, and this .exe file will go to loader, and loader will execute the program. So this is how when you press Ctrl F9, all things are happen. Okay, any doubt you can ask me, or we will stop our lecture here and we will meet in the next class. Okay, thank you.